guys, so I'm back and today I'm going to be doing the throwback challenge, and it's basically my sister. She's in the back. She's going to be playing throwback songs, and then whoever guesses them faster is going to get a point. And yeah, and I'm filming this with one of my closest friends. She has a YouTube channel too, and I'll link her channel down below. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, just keep on watching.
Okay, so you have to guess the name. You have to guess both the song and the artist. I know about it.
Yeah, I know the song.
Yeah.
Half a point. Because she got the artist. Or nobody gets a point. Do we get half a point or nobody gets a point?
Because if we do half a point, we're gonna struggle. I'm not sure.
Okay, so nobody gets a point. Okay.
What is it called? Oh, Dilemma by Nelly. Yes. Okay, next.
That was too fast, guys. I didn't know.
Oh my god. Ready?
Cassie, me and you.
That's better than that.
Okay.
Running. Yeah.
Nobody gets a point. Yeah. Nicki Minaj, Moment for Life. Neo, Mac. This is my song! We were in the car, you were...
One Wish, Ray J.
Damn, baby.
Like You by Bow Wow and Sierra.
She was literally like...
I think you're true.
I'm just over here singing.
It's You by
Ashton T, whatever how you say it.
or Samia.
What's her name?
What did you say, Ashton T?
What's her name? What's her name?
You're a dumbass. It's Ashanti.
That
That's not her.
That's
Tamaya.
One Wish.
Differences by Genuine or Genuine, whatever her name is.
I said One Wish. I'm a mess, guys. Is there Rihanna?
I'll just pick Beyonce.
And it's on the replay? No? Yeah.
You're looking at me.
Oh, sorry. The only reason why I remember that song is because I had to do... No, that too, but also because like I had a group project and then me and my friends chose a song. And like we have to like change the lyrics. I don't know. But yeah.
Walk Away. That was in someone's split, so yeah. I forgot the name.
Probably the end.
Yeah.
Akon.
Oh, it don't matter. I think. Those are the five. Neighbors Know My Name by Trey Songz.
Oh my god, Trey Songz is great. He's so cute.
No.
Every step I take.
What's it called?
I'll be watching you. Remember me? Missing you?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Lady Antebellum, need you now. Hunter Hayes, wanted. Do this shit today?
I don't know. I don't even know what it is.
What hurts the most? That's the class.
The meltdown.
Great speaker. My stars.
When I look at you. Justin Bieber one time.
That was not love.
Okay. He's talking, he's not even singing because she knows the song. Okay.
I remember the music video. It like starts with them playing video games.
Hey. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we're really funny. I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways, make sure to subscribe and then comment down below any other videos you want me to film or like you want me to film with her. And yeah, bye guys.